Well, it is extremely cold out there, probably the coldest I've felt in a couple of years. And as you probably guessed, I can tolerate a lot of cold. I was on my way home, I stopped to do some filming, got out of my car, had a good pair of gloves on, and maybe within 20 seconds my hands were just aching. This is the kind of weather that you will lose fingers and toes, and if you're not prepared, you will die within probably 15 minutes. I'm not joking at all. My phone said the wind chill was minus 42, and just a couple days ago I was outside in minus 44. Feels way colder than that. I'm guessing where I was out in the open, it has to be at least minus 50 Celsius or even colder. Thank God for this wood stove. I would not be out here right now. And unfortunately, when I got home, I brought some more free firewood from work, so I had to unload all that wood. I just bucked up a whole bunch on my chop saw. The stove is just blazing, and it's only plus 5 Celsius in here. Unfortunately, the wind was blowing straight down my stovepipe, and it was pretty smoky in here for about half an hour. So I'm going to show you that footage. I hope you enjoy it.